Welcome to Deep Dive into AI with Chris. As some of you are aware, I have started up a new business. It's an AI automation business. It's a little bit stealth mode because we don't know exactly what the end product's going to be, how it's going to look, how it's going to work. I want to know more about AI. I want to see how it's going to change my life, my kids' lives, my friends' lives. And I've kind of got to a point where I realize either you use AI or AI is going to use you. I don't mean in a nefarious way, I just mean in your job's going to change, your life's going to change, and if you're not in front of that change, then it will have more of a disruptive effect on you. If you understand what's coming and you can use those tools, then you can make your life better. Well, maybe easier and better, who knows? So this deep dive is going to look at a couple of AI tools that I've been using that have really transformed the work I'm doing for my clients in coaching, looking at what I'm doing with this AI business, and helping me to understand how AI, agentic AI, Gen AI, and any other AI is going to help me and the business make our clients' lives easier, better. And my ideal is to create a 4-day week. I'm going to go onto Bolt. And I'm going to use the example of somebody who wants to build an interior design website. I do know someone who wants to do this at the moment. I showed them and they were blown away. So let's have a look. Create an interior design. Design website that is for residential and is high. And don't worry about spelling, it'll copy check your prompts anyway. Make it light and minimal with some great hero images on the main page. Client work tab, contact me. What else do we want? Quote. Oh, nav with an E, not quite right. And it'll do its processing. It's pretty quick. I'll fast forward this bit. So this bit is super cool. It's running through and creating all the HTML, the JavaScript, all the code for the website build. So it's not just a mock-up, a preview, a Canva kind of thing, but it's creating the actual final code that you need to be able to then port it and put it onto any website that you, any website host you want to use, like GoDaddy or anything else. I use GoDaddy, but there are obviously many more out there. And there it is, first stab at the website, which, to me looks pretty good. It's a bit square, it's a bit templatey with that thing. Lux Interior Design sounds a bit rubbish. Rename the site to what's a good name? Well, let's go and ask Copilot, shall we? Give me a name for a British interior design business, not one that exists currently, needs to be high-end. Okay, so quick think, and Regal Interiors, make it more contemporary. There we go, might help if I do spell properly. Modern Lux Interiors. Seems that AI all is ganging up to give me a Lux. Rename the site to New Wave. I know, I shouldn't be in marketing. I'm not in marketing. New Wave Interiors. Okay, so it'll go off and do the coding, and I can actually access the code and do it myself if I want from in here. If you're comfortable doing that, you can. It makes it a little bit quicker. Okay, here's the updated New Wave Interiors. I don't love the template though, I want to change it. And I can do this on here, I can ask it to be a bit less contemporary, bit this, bit that, but I like to go and find some inspiration from elsewhere. So I'm going to go on to Dribbble, I've selected landing pages, and I'm looking for some insight. You can use AI to plagiarize, and I'm not sure that's a great idea, but it's going to happen. I think businesses are going to have to change models where there is integration with AI and the ability to bill for that template, that design. At the moment, it's very easy for me just to go and find something in here, So let's say interior design. Dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. I mean, it's pretty much copied that page. Anyway, the contemporary Zen space, transform your space. That's quite nice. Here we go. This is like, it's not so contemporary, but it is quite a nice design. So this is where your plagiarizing comes in, and it's a bit naughty. I can save that image. I can then go into Bolt, and I can say, make the site look like this. I mean, this is where it blows me away. Okay, and then I upload this, and we wait while it runs all coding, and then comes back with a new design. Here is the design. It's come up. It looks a little bit different from the last one, a bit more contemporary. It hasn't copied the design exactly from the Dribble site, which is great. It's just taken some ideas. It's not perfect, and I want to make a few changes. I want to make the navbar float. I want to fix that missing image link. And there's loads of missing images, which is fine, because I can go in and replace those. And this is a single page scroll, which if that's what we want to do, that's great. I want to, oh, look, I've got the rounded corners already. Hoorah. Let's add some images. I can go into the lovely Unsplash, and Unsplash will give me some pictures. Let's look at interior design, and obviously I'll have all of the images of the interiors from the client, but we can just go in and show how easy it is to take some examples and some samples. So I can download that. I can download that. What else have we got? Open those and say you can only upload maximum 5 files. Okay, use these images to replace the top 4 hero images on the let's just do that. Okay, so I don't want that one. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so upload those, and now my images are going to get uploaded and changed. Okay, as quick as that, we've got 4 new images uploaded, which should be the ones I've taken down from here, and it's zoomed and cropped in on some. Let's change learn more button to read my blog. Okay, so we're going to do that, and I also want to be able to go in and add a YouTube link. So if we fire up YouTube while that's happening, how to make interior design work on a budget but look amazing video. And yes, that's what I mean. Sophisticated home even on a budget. Here we go.
Hi, welcome to Valentina. I'm Valentina, and
right, let's use that. I'm not going to plagiarize it. I'm just pretending that this is the client's video. And let's have a look at where we can put that. Let's replace design showcase for a video panel, and the main image links to this video. Okay, so it's updated the site. It's created a picture here. It's not pulling it through. When it's in development phase, it doesn't work pulling interactive bits through. I've been using it for a financial services client using chart data, and I was really frustrated. Anyway, it's also done these thumbnails, which I'm not loving, but we'll come back to that. So what I need to do is just deploy it, and then I can deploy it onto a server. It's all integrated into this. It's all part of this. I think you need to log into Netlify, but it will give you the option. I don't remember paying anything for Netlify, and now I can click on this link, and I should have my site loading up nicely, and here is our story.
hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina, and I am actually...
Okay, thanks Valentina, I love your work. So there we go, and a website that looks like subjectively, it's worth a good few $1,000s, good few £1,000. It could have cost you 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, depending on who you are, how much money you've got. You know, you're a corporate, you're an SME, you're a sole trader. But it's a lot faster, I find, than using things like Wix. It's a lot more controllable. It's completely customizable, and the code is there, built, ready to go. And I love the fact that you can just do really simple changes. But I'm going to make one last change, and I'm going to say change the background color to dark blue through purple gradient. So there it is, the finished site. It's not beautiful, it's not perfect, but it gives you an idea about how quickly you can create a customized site for yourself for free. And that's really important. For me, this is the transformation, the change that AI is bringing. How can designers, how can creatives, how can developers start to use AI to accelerate the work that they do, to supplement what they're doing, and to intercept what's coming? Because if all the customers start going off and doing this for free using tools like Bolt, that's going to leave a big hole for those who are just starting their career in this field. So if I was starting out as a designer now, and I started in 1994 when the internet wasn't really a thing, if I was starting as a designer, a copywriter, a coder, I'd be looking at how I use the tools to accelerate my job, how I can give my clients better work, cheaper, or better value, how I can supplement myself. Instead of building one website that takes me a month, why don't I build 10 websites for 10 clients in a week? Now that starts to change the game. That's me making AI work for me rather than me work for AI. And I think that's what I'm trying to show here. This tool can disrupt, or this tool can enhance. This tool can make you redundant, or this tool can make you rich. Choose how you use it. I hope this has been useful, and I'm going to do a couple more in the coming weeks as I develop and go through new tools and work out new techniques, and I know they're ready to share. I've tried lots of tools that I've started off going amazing and then rubbish. So I'll do videos around tools that really work and that really help automate, enhance, and create that